Do you smell that?
No. Say hi. Hey, mommy.
Gloria! Hey guys, it's iGloriaaa back with another video. So today I'm in my apartment for the first time. I'm always going everywhere, like this weekend.
My name is Rex.
That's our mister!
Yeah, and I just decided I'm gonna go ahead and cook with y'all here. Y'all gonna see me stressed out in the kitchen. I'm also listening to Fireboy's new album right now. It's literally a banger. Like, if you haven't listened to it, I'm gonna need you to get on that, because literally back-to-back bangers. It don't make sense. So yeah, I'm gonna be listening to his album. I won't insert too many of the songs, because in all honesty, the hit ain't trying to be copyrighted. So yeah, but I'm gonna start cleaning first, and then we go into cooking. So I'm currently gonna let my meat defrost, and then I'm gonna go in. I already actually have some saved tomato blended with pepper and other things in here that I used for my jollof rice. I'm gonna use this to make the stew. Onion. So we're washing clothes in the background. I'm gonna cut an onion to do all the other stuff. I'll bring out my pots and everything. I just wanna make sure everything is cut and put aside. So usually as I cook, I like to have a little plastic bag this small, like one of these grocery bags, to collect all my trash. So I don't feel like, going in and out. Trash could vary depending on what you're making. So I just want to make sure everything is dust together and I dust trash it. But yeah. So my onions are cut. I'm gonna chop the onions. So like I said, in here we have tomato, we have we have the habanero peppers. You guys know what I'm talking about, the small peppers. And then we have actual red pepper in here, and everything. So this is literally the base for stew. Like, if you're making jollof rice, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So this is that base. So I'm going to use this to actually prepare the stew and add extra ingredients, of course, to like actually make enough for the stew. But I'm going to use this. I don't need to blend anything else really. Everything is already seasoned. I just took this out because I was like, this is too much. So, and then I'm also going to now prepare the turkey. I'm going to go ahead and boil it. I'm going to put some onions inside, season it and everything like that, and then we'll proceed into making the whole process. Yeah, so I'm using the smoked turkey tails. I'm going to cut these up into smaller pieces, and then we'll go ahead and boil them and whatnot. Cool. So I'm gonna cut the pieces up to be this small, nothing too big. my meat is here. And I'll get it over. I'm about to boil it now. Seasoned everything. I have thyme. Hold on. I have thyme, curry, pepper, seasonal, parsley, and stuff. I just put my regular basic seasoning, and I'm about to season the meat. So this is boiling. I have this already washed. I'm cleaning up after myself as we cook. So my meat is boiling. I'm about to actually remove it from the pot, and then we're gonna start the whole frying process and get into this. All right, guys. So I'm gonna cut up another onion, and I'm going to fry it, and then I'm also gonna fry the turkey for the turkey stew. So I'm gonna be using organic extra virgin olive oil. I like olive oil to cook. I don't really care about the other types of oils. Olive oil is usually my go-to, but yes, I'm gonna go ahead, use this oil, and then do the shebang. So yeah, we cooking. And on the side note, let me take you out to my bathroom. Hold on, okay. This my sink, y'all. Okay, I cleaned up my toilet, like, bro. All of this, I was able to just do all the whole 9. So usually when I say I like to clean and cook, I actually mean it. Like literally clean at the same time and cook. Yo, look at my, hold on. Like bro, my little trash bag, turkeys on the stove, like nothing in the sink, y'all. Y'all, my mom will be so proud of me. Mommy, if you're watching, you will be so proud of me, period. Oh my God. Okay, anyways, I'm really feeling good, y'all. Like, I'm actually doing all of my favorite things in one right now. Like, I was really in a weird funk. I mean, I went to my place. I was in a weird funk this morning, but I prayed, gave everything to the Lord, talked to my dad, got on the phone with my mom, listened to Fireboy's new album, the whole 9. Let me wash my hands again. Y'all, usually, I honestly don't like washing my hands too much, but you can never wash your hands too much. I'm actually about to turn off this stove soon. So I've been boiling the meat for like 20 minutes. I don't know if you guys watch CC Yummy. I love CC Yummy. I usually like to watch her videos while I cook, or listen to music or get on FaceTime with my sister. Ify, say hi. Hi. Ify says hi. But yeah, so I really love CC Yummy's videos. She's just so cool. She's very simple. Like you could either watch her videos with sound on, or you can watch her videos with the sound off. Like, because she's just so like, I don't know. I just like people who just, whatever video you're watching, just be organized in your videos, and whatnot. See me talking about content, but I might as well take the time, cut and talk at the same time, right? But whenever you're doing content, like whatever like video you're making on YouTube, just make sure you have, and this is something that Amarachi kind of taught me, but like talking points, or just you organize your video, plan out your video literally on how you want to go about it. Because I don't know, like I just hate watching videos and there's no direction, and I feel like that's something that I'm personally working on, because I want to tell you, I'm obsessed with videos that have direction. Completely and utterly obsessed. All right, it's 4:38. I'm gonna go ahead and move this over to the side. My meat is now boiled. I'm gonna separate the meat a little later, but we'll deal about that. We'll deal with that a little later. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my onions. And because I know that because I already have my tomato drum, I need to make sure. So last time I checked it, it was too salty. So the goal today is to really, first of all, I don't want it to be salty, so I'm not gonna season as much. So check your own. Well, usually at this point, usually people make it as they go, but when you're cooking, just make sure salt level isn't too high. I don't like salty food. There's a couple of things I don't like, and salty food is one of them. I don't think anyone really likes salty food. I mean, some people like salty food. I don't like salty food, or should I say high seasoned food? Like, why? What's the points? But yeah, so I'm not gonna be adding too much seasoning. I think my broth is going to do most of the talking. I probably might add another tomato. Might blend another one just to pull back the seasoning. But we'll see. I'll try my broth first before I do all that. All right, so I have now diced my onions. See, the onions are much smaller. I'm gonna fry these in this pot with my my olive oil. I'll remove the turkey, put it in here, and also fry it as well. And then we'll move on to the tomatoes and everything like that, and pour the broth in. I'll show you people, I beg. That's what's going on. Hey guys, so I'm gonna fry the onions first, put my tomato paste in, then I'm gonna put the turkey in after, then we'll put the sauce. But I was so excited for my tomato paste. I got the giant brand. Not gonna use too much paste because, like, once again, my sauce is quite loaded. All right, so we're gonna lower the heat. So I lowered the heat. My heat is currently on medium. I'm gonna put I'm Americanized. I don't like oil. Hey, easy. It's gonna be hot. Let me lower it. It's on low. Like I said, so everything is in here. You might want to turn on your fan. I really don't like when my apartment smells like I'm cooking. It's gonna smell, but it is what it is, yeah? I have my cinnamon here. Hopefully y'all can hear me, but I have my cinnamon pot. It's full of, obviously it's full of cinnamon. I usually boil that right after I finish cooking. I'm gonna increase my heat a little bit, put it on medium as this is cooking. And I'll prepare my tomatoes to go inside. And my paste, sorry, to go inside after. Alright, so I also like to open up a window because y'all know it don't matter what you cooking, this junk will be boofing. And I'm also gonna be frying the stews. I want it to be like, I like the way Yoruba people cook their stews. It's like they legit fry it. So I plan on frying the stew today. So I'm gonna let this cook a little bit. Let it sit. I don't want my onions to burn either because I want them to be ready for the rest of the other process. But this is what we're working with. Then I'll put the paste on top. I'm gonna go ahead now and insert the paste. This stove we have is very, I tell you, it's a very hot stove, yeah? So like I said, I'm not gonna be putting seasoning. Usually, I know some people like to put their seasoning in right about now after it's been frying or whatever, but I'm not gonna do that because this right here, listen, the last time I checked, I just want to even out the taste. I don't want it to be too salty, so I'm not going to put the seasoning down. I'll gauge it and add seasoning in later. So I'm going to let this fry for a little bit before I bring the turkey inside. I'm going to go ahead and drain the turkey out of the pot. And yeah, so I also increased the heat so it can cook a little faster. Make sure you stir it. You don't want your paste to burn. I'm gonna lower the heat because this place, the alarm goes off quick. That's good. I'm eating this. My broth looks yummy. Yeah. Hello. You said you have an hour?
Yeah.
Where are you going? Oh, that's good. I really admire how you've been going to church lately. So this is the turkey right here. It looks amazing. My broth looks amazing. This is what it is. I don't want it to burn. I'm putting the stew inside. This don't go, y'all. Oh my God. I feel so bad for eating my own food. Oh my God. Turn frying on higher heat. Just gonna go ahead and pour this in now. I'm gonna add some water to it just to get the rest of it out. This is the stew. I'm gonna add the broth to it just to add some extra yeah. But this is, y'all, this one is yummy. Okay, let me leave this alone. Oh my god. Taste, you can't taste, sorry. I'm proud of you. Okay, treasurer.
But Brendan got a job.
Really? Where at?
So,
all I know is I just made some banging stew.
maybe we'll like this.
Yeah, that's nice. I was thinking the same thing. I was like, dang, I need something for the smell. Just in case.
We're gonna light it though. Don't leave it here. Put it on the table.
Okay.
Oh damn, no, we're not trying to burn down this. We're literally gonna get everything on your couch.
Whatever. Oh, of course. That was her way of saying, can I try some? That's all that it is. It's okay.
Well,
It's
I mean,
okay.
at least I tried to be polite. That's funny.
This stew looks like quality ass stew. Okay.
Girl.
Girl. Right, exactly. Oh my god. Whoa.
That hits the spot.
Bro. I'm excited. I don't think I'm gonna add anything else to it. Like, I feel like, all right, y'all, that's the final something. I'm gonna let it cook some more and then I'm turning this off. Cool. So quality is just looking nice. It's looking tantalizing. All right, now we clean. As the stew is cooking, I'm gonna start cleaning, but as I'm cleaning, I'm gonna have a few dishes. That's why you should clean and cook. I'm gonna make some rice in my rice cooker. This is my Aroma rice cooker. I definitely got this for like $20 off of Amazon. I'll leave the link down below, but it's just simple something. Hey guys, what's poppin'? So that stew, I made it early December and it's gone, so I couldn't give you any aesthetically pleasing plates, but just know I think I have a little bit of it left, but that's a lot of work to go and make a plate of rice. I have to boil rice, make a plate to show you people that the stew was banging. Listen, man, the stew was bomb. If you want me to make stew for you, let me know. It's not free of charge though, because I'm an Igbo girl. We like money. But yeah, thanks guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow.